Alright, so super quick update on this skid steer engine. In one of the previous videos I had mentioned replacing, the pump assembly down there separately. Come on, focus. From the nozzle. What I forgot was on these, the nozzle, pump, and lifter assembly off of the cam are all one calibrated unit, so you don't have a choice. So anyway, I popped those two injectors in, went through the whole synchronization procedure, which is a giant pain, dial indicator and all that good nonsense. Synchronizes relative position on that shutoff rail, that little brass looking thing to the right of the push rod here down in the valley. So anyway, I'm just going to fire this thing up and show you guys we got even contribution. We are still smoking a little out of here and here, which is on burnt fuel, carbon, so not a big deal. We're not going to run it super long because I don't have the alternator and all that put back on yet. That's it. Equal contribution. These two are gonna have to burn out a little bit once it gets up and running good, but that's it. Reassembly, run it around, and ship it. Thank you. That's it.